Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Just finished watching the debate between Adnan Rashid and Imtiaz on one side and a couple of Ahmadi Murabbis on the other. I must admit, what a waste of time. This 1 hour, 10-minute long discussion, so many allegations made by Imtiaz and Adnan, but not a single reference, not a single evidence, not a single quote provided by either of them. They kept on insisting, as if Ahmadis believe that Hazrat Masih Maud salam is Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. They went even further, alleged as if Ahmadis believe that Hazrat Masih Maud salam is na'uzubillah superior than Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Yet, not a single reference, not a single quote, not a single evidence. What a disappointment. All I can say is an empty vessel makes the most noise. That's what Adnan and Imtiaz are.